It's so harsh. This thing. It's this thing. Oh my god. It looks so weird. Ooh, that's giving me an idea. I'm still trying to... And the knuckles. All this just to be tails. Oh, actually, oh my god, it hurts right here. I definitely have problems on this hand. Ow. That hurts and feel good at the same time. Let's see how much we can do. Oh, okay. Whoa. You're more instant mode. For now, let's see how far that's going to take me. Can't see anything yet. Oh gosh, yeah, it's closed off. I forgot I was doing this. I do look orange. A little bit more loud. Yeah. Boo. Now I want it to go off of my toggle. Look at my face! I love it! It's uneven. Oh man, I can't wait to do makeup because this is like not well. Elation. Looks like I'm trying to be done, but I'm not. I have to. Where is Oh, I want to do pigtails. Alright, first I gotta find out what's going on with this wig. ThunderCats. Maybe I should do ThunderCats. Because there I am. It's happening. This is it. This is ThunderCats. I need to figure out the bang thing. Alright. How am I gonna do this? I would have did pigtails, like, no doubt about it. That's what tails would have. Ooh, I feel like a proper furry today. A proper furry. I'm gonna look for all the furry works and just do them. Wow, that sounds way more different than I thought I was gonna say it. Just do all the furries on my face. That didn't make it any better. He has a big poof like this, so it couldn't do pigtails because I'm trying to imitate tails. That made no sense, but it makes sense to me. Thank God I've been to the dollar store. So I got some more of these. So we're going to bring this down. I still look like ThunderCats. Don't worry. This is water-based, so I could just wash out whatever this is with water. And let's poof it up. Poofy up. I'm glad I'm making someone laugh. I feel like I'm like making myself laugh. Yeah, this one's more... That was a face I just did. I like the poofiness of this. I can't wait to color the tips. Let's do this side now. I feel alive! Okay, I think it needs to be poofed up a little bit more. Thank you. Well, one is like, oh, I want to be Fabio, and one is like, yeah, I'm just here. I wish I had the wig, or I would definitely do He-Man. Sonic! I'm still recording. Things are happening. This is kind of Johnny Bravoing. What? There's like one eyebrow that's like giving me problems. I'm still ThunderCats territory. Oh, for God's sakes, you're just... Oh, it's so creamy. That's such a good name for a dog. We just named our dog Snow because she was white and then she got spots. Inside of my mouth, all the way over. Ooh, there's no orange in sight. The boobs needs to be pleased. So, just gotta squish and then add. Oh wait, hold on. It's up here too. It's good. I wish I had a more better whatever, but because it's like really big. I don't want it to be that. Anyway, whatever. Because I want to be uniform. Like, I could put white here. I should put white there. I will be putting white there now. I don't think any ordinary orange will do so, but I have no choice. Oh, wait. Give me a little bit more tails, though it's kind of more yellow than this orange. Still going. This is without the eyes help, yeah. I'm doing all this without doing the eyes first. Yellow again. I'm gonna bring in white to lighten it up, because this part's supposed to be whiter. And it's blending in nicely. Oh. In a way, I still have separated Tails' face. Down here could stay white. That's the thing. I would like try to get rid of it. I'll put yellow on the base of it so it doesn't look like my face is too long. I feel like a character. Where's the white? Hey. Hey. There it is. Say hey twice and it comes to you. Round it! Round it! I command you to round it. It's rounded. But not perfectly rounded. Let's set that with the banana. What the frick? Where? Oh, there it is. I thought I lost it. Thank you! I think this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna bring back an airbrush to finish a look. Why I keep losing white? It sucks. I still look like ThunderCats. Airbrush height. So I will not eat unless you cook it. I look like a fox more. Ah, yes, that's a good itch. Oh, that is adorable. That's definitely like a art piece on Tumblr. A French. Wait, is it? No, English bull running away from butterflies. So this side, and wow, why are you so chunky? Oh, but you're very sparkly. Alright, I don't see much of the chunkiness anymore. The thing is, I have to do it on the other side now. Maybe it's a brush. Let's try something more fluffy. Oh my god! Thank you for scaring the crap out of me. Thank you so much. I forgot I put in a new thingy. There we go. You can see it now. I put that up because I was... Thank you so much, Quack. That's a quack quack. Thank you, Quack Quack. Let's get a shit out of me. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how this blends though. Go with the heart, Obi-Wan. Just ooh. All right, the heart works. Well, I think I'm just gonna follow my natural shape. Now, when I do this, it disappears, so I have to go a little bit higher up. And it may not look like anything's happening the first time, but something's definitely happening. Screw the other colors. Well, blue could be like, hey, I'm hinted at Sonic. That's stupid. That's stupid. People are afraid of shiny in the corners. I mean, the other corners, but not me. Look at me, Mom. And then thinking the red. This one I had to be a little bit more easy with. You put the orange in so it could blend better when you put the red on top. And this is the scary part because it's too big for this. I'm too lazy to change my brush, so I'm gonna go here with a little bit of red. So I'm gonna keep it straight across. I'll follow the bottom of my eye and try to keep that. I keep seeing lines. That line going. So it's facing that way, so we're just gonna go there. Whoa, what's going on? Hello. Hello, new hello, new follower. Ba, 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 ba. It just looks like I have fish face, right? Do the thing! Why do you always wait? I think I'll give it some blush. Okay, so this is white, but I wanted to use orange, and I forgot where. Forehead. I've been talking to paint all my life. Or pink lips. Yes. And then put gloss over it so it look like a tinted lip or something. And the lip gloss I shall wear. I don't know. Oh! Ah! Everything died. Oh, there's this amethyst one. It is prismatic. There's some blues in it. Pinks. And that's all I got. That's the main reason I got it. It's like a dark berry. Oh. Let's show you the mess. Oh. Hello. Have you ever been this close to me before? Oh. This is my favorite part. Oh. Not the glitter, just the blending. It's my favorite. Hello, mess. Hello, miss. Oh, I love you. Hello. Is that a bra? Yes, a bra. Hello, miss. Hello, miss. Yes. Chat. There she is. She will attack, but she first protect. That's the wrong one.